Well, summer is definitely upon us, on us, at us. We're here. Got a little project to do. I gotta be done with it in about a week. Gone and took it apart to fix it about 2 years ago. Got sidetracked with another project and another project and laziness and whatnot, whatever. I can't remember where everything goes after that long, so it's gonna be a kind of a plug and play little action there, I guess. I don't know. Been slacking on the YouTube channel, which, oh wow, I've made 4 videos. That's fine. It's overrated. Ooh, I got some backup to come help. The tint specialist. He must be bored. Yay.